day, everybody. Happy Thursday. I start off with good morning, but you know, it's whatever time of day, whatever day it is for you. I think I'm just going to find a new greeting. I think I'm just going to say greetings. I don't know. Anyways, I'm feeling a little silly this morning. It's Thursday morning. It's the 31st of January. I'm leaving for Colorado in a couple of days, which means this might be my last day to trade because I'm leaving on Tuesday. I'll be gone for a week. While I'm there, I have committed myself to not trading, and I'm going to be working on a lot of material that I want to see happening on the website, and some information I want to get out to y'all. So my theme of today is to create. Okay. So I'm looking at what happened today, or yesterday and today, and it's mighty interesting. So let's go take a peek-see at it. Just a little peek-see-poo. Alright, so first things first, let's pull this daily chart over. And I pull it over here because this is my bigger screen. This is my smaller screen for my laptop. This is my bigger screen. It hit that box, right? It pulled through that box. It held up there. It pulled through it. It's pulled back into it, okay? We also got pretty darn close to this box, and we'll just move it down a little bit so we can see it. And I'm going to make this bigger so I can make this smaller because that actually covers quite a bit right there. The smaller it is, the more precise it is, okay? And that way it doesn't look like a giant box on my other tick charts. Okay, so it's pulling up to this area of the large EMA on the daily chart. Something I like to look at. So there's not a ton of strength in the move up currently in the MACDs here. It's pushed up, it's pulled back down, it's pushing up a little bit more. It does have some angle, but look at what we're missing in the spacing, and look how hard it pushed up yesterday. It pushed up pretty hard. There's a couple of things going on right now too, and let me go ahead and put this away. I mean, technically, y'all, we have not changed the direction to the downside on the daily chart. There's no divergence between these pivots. You can see both were leading lower. We have not gotten back above the EMAs on the daily chart, which we'd want to get up, pull away from it to really change that direction to the upside. So, and also, let's look at this. Where's my drawing tools? I'm just going to pop this little puppy right here. Okay? So just some things to keep in mind. Does this mean that it cannot go up? No. Sometimes I don't like getting my mind set on the daily chart in the morning because you come over to places like this one and you can see, and here's that next little area. We've basically reached it, y'all. We can see some major divergence between these pivots, pushing things down right back into the area that we were anticipating a bounce, really. It pulled up into it, used it as support, came up here, and look at this major divergence rolling inside of the Bollinger Band. So that's like a super divergence kicking right there, right? Then we come over to the 4181. We've also got divergence between pivots here. We're reaching this area. So right now it's a little bit of a touchy area. We have 6 minutes until the market opens, so I'm not pushing things right now. We're pulling away from these EMAs with reversal bars at this spot, so it's definitely an area that it can pop up. Sometimes what we may see is a pop up and not a lot of reaction here and a little bit more push down. It may just be to get us towards this area. But look at these MACDs. They ain't playing, y'all. Look at the last time we had a big reversal bar here and it pushed down. Weak movement, okay? Reversal bars here, push down. God, those MACDs are strong to the downside. There's no divergences on our smaller charts right now. So this just may be a pullback to continue down. I'm just looking at it sitting at that top Bollinger Band. One of the things I don't love is that these are staying blue and up. We're starting to see the pull away and the pop up. So we can definitely see the reason for more down being below the zero line and things to that nature. But there's a pretty strong reason that we might see a pushback. I'm giving this 1 hour today. I have a lot of things that I want to work on. I want to get that vault up and running, y'all. I have about 20 or 25 videos I'm trying to get into there right now for y'all. And so as soon, right now I've only got 4 in there. And the rest are about ready to be uploaded. So hasn't even popped that top Bollinger Band. I need to be out of this. I'm moving it up to 1 tick in risk, or 1 tick in profit. Yeah, because this was not pushing through. Instead of moving that up, I should have really actually just taken the exits. Okay. I have to stop for a moment, remind myself that I'm giving myself a time limit, which means I'm pressuring myself to find trades. So I need to just breathe for a minute. Is going up. So I didn't have 3 losing trades in a row, but I do have 3 losing trades. We're going to give this 1 more chance because, dude, I really believe this is going up at this spot. Back to I'm gonna take this exit. Look for the next one. ahead and take this out. Starting to break this bottom Bollinger Band here. Still 130 ticks left, and that could change. But I'm good for the moment. Far. I'll go ahead and take the exit. Okay, that's 8 trades, 7.5 points. That was so tough for me today. Okay, I want to prove a point with this though right here. I won half my trades and I lost half my trades. Okay, I won half my trades and I lost half my trades, and I still came out positive today. We're still up 7.5 points. Okay, now let's think about this just a little bit. Okay, 4 trades were losers, 4 trades were winners. That is half of my trades for today lost, and I still came out 7.5 points up. I'm done for today because I told myself I was only going to trade for an hour, which I'm out here. The market's been open for an hour and 15 minutes. I'm done. Do I believe I was trying to force myself to take trades in the beginning? Yes. And let me be very clear and very honest with you. I'm a human being with an ego. We all have one. Some days when I come in and record these videos and I want to trade, I want to prove something. And I want to be able to show people that I know what I'm doing. And a lot of times that can be counterproductive. Because instead of thinking about what's happening, and I promise you this happens with so many traders, even ones who are not recording themselves like I am, but I swear to you this happens. You think to yourself, I need to prove to people that I know what I'm doing and I can do this. And then you jump into things just a little hastily because you see the reasons for it to go in that direction, but you don't quite wait for the proper signals. And then when you do see those proper signals, you're out really, really quick. I'm sorry, when you do see those proper signals to exit, you may hold on a little bit longer because you just want to be right. We can equate this to a lot of different things in our lives. Just think of a time when you just got a little too excited about things and you just weren't ready to wait. It's like saying I love you in a relationship when you've been on 4 dates. There may have been a chance for y'all to be in love down the road, but you might have thrown a curveball at them, throwing in that I love you really quick, and boom, stepping away. So, I'm just saying that could be kind of awkward. Yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. This was a very tough day for me. I'm really going to have to decide when I go back and watch my video, because when I record these, I go back and watch them. And I critique myself, and I pay attention, and I listen to the words that I'm saying to myself. And lately, I have been making sure that I speak out loud things that are in my head, like, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to prove by taking this trade? You took this trade and you saw the exits. It's time to take a moment to breathe and wait. Are you trying to force things? I say those things to myself out loud so I can hear them. Because if I don't hear them, I just think them, and then that thought can be gone in a split second. Okay? And then it's right back to, oh girl, you were right. Of course. But I need to pay attention to all of these things, because if I don't, then I don't get to know me as a trader and what I'm really putting my focus on. And when I say these things out loud, it's like one of my best friends telling me recently that I needed to write my goals down, because I've been avoiding writing them down. She said, well, if you write them down, they're in your face in paper. Well, if I record them just like this, it's in my face. So, and for the record, can I just show y'all really, really quick? It is bouncing off that box like a boss. Okay? One of these days, I'll hold that whole trade up. I'm just not, I like to see these exits. I think I maybe put a little bit of weight into the 233 that keeps me from holding on to those trades so long. But the 233 is valuable. Seeing the exit that just happened on the 233, I know this kicks back. I've actually just realized recently that this kicks back to my original picture, so it'll go back to whatever we entered right back here whenever I do put that up. But this 233 gave some really great signals, okay? It's just being able to pay attention to, let's make sure we're not getting a little hasty and jumping into this a little quickly, because there's still some movement to be made. So, hour and a half of video. I'm wrapping this up. You'll probably see 5 minutes of it on YouTube. You'll probably see an hour of it in the vault. The vault is almost ready. I'm having to transfer these videos from one form to another, then send them to my beautiful, wonderful, amazing web lady, Megan Good, and she puts them in for me. And then we're going to set it up to where it's set up just for the students. And those people who want to get into it and want to see it and want to watch those, just get in contact with me. We'll see what we can do. So, but that's going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the profitable side.